chopped our garlic, our oil is heating up, our stock is starting to break down, and our potatoes are just starting to brown up. So while we're waiting for our oil to heat, we're going to take a slice of onion. We're then going to cut that in half because that'll make it easier to remove the outer layer skin. We're going to dice these, and again we don't have to get them too terribly small because all of this is going to be going into a blender. Alright, our oil should be hot, so we're going to add our onions and our garlic. And while that is cooking, we're going to come back and chop half of our tomato. We're going to cut around the stem. And we're going to dice our tomato. And we're going to come back and add that to our onions and our garlic.